Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to dominate the DTI runway with a chic professional news reporter outfit. Whether the theme is career, red carpet, or business, this look is instantly recognizable and guaranteed to earn you high marks. Now let's just get started to finish this look. Now first, for the hair, I only used this curly hair combined with the bangs from this curly hair. Now let's just create the outfit. So for the outfit, put on this heels first. I'm going to change the color to right here and put on this blazer. Use the black color but change the material to light silk. And I'm going to put on this glasses, black color. That's here. And for the skirt, I'm going to use this one in black color combined with some red for the belt. And also combine it with this skirt. This one use red. And let's put on this plus microphone. This one the neck goes into the old versions. For this one, I'm going to use these patterns as well as the necktie. This. Now you can also use this long earring for the accessory, gold or brown. And I'm going to put on this headband. It's the same pattern like the necktie. And after that, you can go to the dressing room. Here I'm going to use this jacket, so toggle it into top only and use the color that you prefer. So I'm going to use this brown color like this, and with the eyelashes. And after that, the news reporter outfits is done. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.